Ambassador of Poland, you have the floor.
Honorable chairs, dear fellow delegates, a brief history of Poland. We had Swedish emperors, Prussian rulers, and then Soviet's eastern border. We've come from the Warsaw Pact and are now in NATO. We know the meaning of a shifting world order. The only constant factor in our history is our Catholic belief and our faith in an independent Poland, which has held our country together. Our friends by choice are now Mr. Trump. He's our guarantee for an independent Poland in a shifting world. And our friend, by default, is the EU. We need the EU, and the EU needs us. But the EU must understand its limitations. The Republic of Poland's first motion will be to develop a United Nations Defense Affiliation Bill, short UNDAP, to ensure that we, together with our partners, can encounter the shifting world order in peace. So please, all honorable delegates of this assembly, remember UNDAP. Thank you.
Delegates, please hold your applause.